신나는 나들이 신나들이입니다. 구독과 좋아요를 눌러주세요.
I reached up to the stars and caught a dream. I held it in my hands as I watched it twinkling, and anything felt possible for me. And anything is possible. You just have to believe it enough. Don't give up. Keep your head up, and you just might reach the stars and hold them in your hands. This is your moment to hold them in your hands, 'cause anything's possible. Life seemed to get harder with every step. The dream that I was holding got dimmer in my hands, but that's when I decided to believe that anything is possible. You just have to believe it enough. Don't give up. Keep your head up, and you just might reach the stars and hold them in your hands. 'Cause this is the moment to hold them in your hands. 'Cause anything's possible. Whoa. And anything's possible. Anything's possible. Anything's possible if you just
왠지 가수 같은 느낌?
anything's possible. Anything's possible. Anything's possible if you just believe that anything is possible. You just have to believe it enough. Don't give up. Keep your head up, and you just might reach the stars and hold them in your hands. 'Cause this
The way that you leave me, keep me in your headspace. No, and creeping in the night, keeping me in the back lane. Hate it when you leave, when you're taking my time. Leave me alone for the rest of the night. Some things they have the upper hand in my mind, running me around thinking that you're mine. Always put me down while you have a finger pointing at me. probably want the same thing. And tell me why you faking, cause ain't nobody making you be. You want my body, but not my mind. So used to this face shit all the time. Wish you could see that it's hard to find. Understand how it feels just to one time. Always put me down while you have a finger pointing at me.
저는 먹어버렸고.
신나는 나들이 신나들이입니다. 구독과 좋아요를 눌러주세요.